Welcome back to Teshkid FX for another Gala Games price prediction update, and in this video I'll be giving you the latest developments that have been happening here on the Gala Games chart, which at the time of this recording has lost the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, which is now acting as resistance. We have also seen a breakout out of this channel that we had been trading within to the lower side. We have also seen a breakout out of another chart pattern that we had here on the 1-hour chart, which is this head and shoulders pattern, whose minimum target areas at around the $0.0312 mark we have fully maximized. We have also continued to obey the Elliot structures, where I still believe that whatever we are seeing over here is a corrective structure to the lower side in the formation of these larger Elliot count 2, whose minimum target areas lies between the $0.03948 mark and the $0.02574 mark, which is a target area that I have marked here on the charts using this blue target area. And you can see that at the time of this recording we have managed to get into that minimum retracement area, meaning that there are chances that very soon we might start that bounce to the upper side in the formation of that larger Elliott wave count 3. And before I get further into the technical analysis and also give you my next price targets here on the Gala Games chart, first give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership, and allow me to continue with the video here on the 4-hour chart by first giving you a recap of what has been happening, where you can see that after making our lower low down there, we started this massive bounce to the upper side, obeying the Elliott wave structures, where I have this Elliott wave structure in blue having the wave 5 giving us a peak at around the $0.06278 mark. And after seeing the high for that wave 5, we completed an even larger Elliott wave count 1 to the upper side, and after seeing the formation of a larger Elliott wave count 1, whatever we expected next was a corrective structure to the lower side in the formation of a larger Elliott wave count 2, and using the Fibonacci's, connecting them from the low of the first wave down there to the high of that wave 1, I was able to come up with a minimum retracement area to the lower side in the formation of that larger Elliott wave count 2 between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.78, which is a target area that lies between the $0.03918 mark and the $0.02579 mark, and it is within this blue target area down here that I'm expecting to see the low for that second wave. And you can see that at the time of this recording we have almost fully maximized our blue target area in the formation of that larger Elliott wave count 2 in a move that has now given us a low at around the $0.03 mark, and there are chances that we might have bottomed out in the formation of these larger Elliott wave count 2, and very soon we are going to start that massive bounce to the upper side in the formation of that larger Elliott wave count 3. And if that is the case, and assuming that Gala Games is not going to give us one more leg down to the lower side in the formation of these larger Elliott wave count 2, we can sketch out a target area to the upper side in the formation of that larger Elliott wave count 3 by connecting the trend based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, and that gives me a minimum target area to the upper side in the formation of that wave 3 at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $0.01758 mark, and that is the minimum that we can expect Gala Games to do in the formation of that larger Elliott wave count 3. But as long as we are holding below the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, we still have the risk of fully maximizing our target area by getting one more leg down to the lower side in the formation of this larger Elliott wave count 2 at the fib level 0.78, which is our next target area here on the Gala Games chart in case the breakdown continues, and that perfectly lies at around the $0.02585 mark, and that is the minimum that I can expect further breakdown to the lower side to do. And once we fully maximize that target area, then I think there are chances that very soon we are going to start gearing up in the formation of that larger Elliott wave count 3. So in case the breakdown continues, we need to be very cautious with the fib level 0.78, and we also need to continue holding within this blue target area for us to say that we are still in the formation of this higher Elliott wave count 2, because a break below the fib level 0.78 will start to put a major challenge on the formation of this higher Elliott wave count 2, and also our recovery to the upper side in the formation of that larger Elliott wave count 3. So that is what I'm expecting here on the short-term scenario. And before I give you the long-term scenarios that I'm expecting to play out, we can first take a look at the indicators, where you can see that on the RSI we are trading at around the 30 mark, meaning we have massive room for us to fully support higher prices in case the reversal starts. But in case the breakdown continues, that movement will still be supported on the RSI. Also taking a look at the market, we have been able to print a bearish cross, suggesting that there are chances that the breakdown might continue and maybe fully maximize the fib level 0.78 to the lower side in the formation of that wave 2. And jumping to the daily chart for further analysis and also give you the long-term scenarios that I'm expecting to play out, you can see that Gala Games, from these low prices that we had been trading within, we saw that massive bounce to the upper side, seeing the all-time high at around the $0.85 mark in what I'm terming as that first wave to the upper side. And after seeing the all-time high, we started the bear market where we had been seeing no prices in this ABC corrective structure in a move that has now given us the low for that higher Elliot wave count 2. And after seeing the low for that second wave, whatever we expect on the long-term scenarios is the start of a massive bounce to the upper side in the formation of this wave 3, where I have minimum target areas at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $1.36 mark, and that is the minimum that I'm expecting Gala Games to do on the long-term scenarios and also on the short-term scenarios. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.